In today's world, learning a skill is not optional, it is a necessity because skills multiply your income. Today on the show, I want to motivate and educate you about learning a skill. And there's a special skill I'm going to be telling you about. Have you seen this lately? Have you seen this lately? It's everywhere. Girls are wearing it, boys are wearing it, men are wearing it, women are wearing it, and it's even more fashionable for the guys these days because I see them wearing the ones that are as long as from this place to here. It's called beads, and people are cashing out on this. If you don't have a skill, you don't have a business, and this year you're thinking of what to do, this is the kind of business you should go into it because everybody is wearing it. It's now trendy in fashion. Before now, it was a thing for women, but now men are wearing it. Even the hand beads, men are wearing it. This is a business that you start in your comfort zone. You don't need a space to start with. You don't need a shop to start. You don't even need so much to start with. You start with few colors of beads. You can decide to buy the one that has alphabet. You can put people's name on it. And before you know it, you're making some beautiful profit that you never thought possible. So this year, don't sit at home and say, oh, I'm looking for the 9 to 5. Yes, the 9 to 5 may come, but before it comes and you're not doing anything, start this business. Jump on this because it's profitable and it is lucrative. Now, starting this business will become a source of empowerment for you because you'll be making profits. You have your capital, you have your profits, and you have your savings from this small business. It looks small, but my God, I'm telling you, people are making money. For example, someone is getting married, a traditional marriage, and they need coral caps. They need coral caps, the one women wear on their head. They need coral beads and earring. That is where you come in. Some people don't like to rent because they say, oh, I want my design to be different and unique. That is where you come in. So you'll be making money and empowering yourself. So jump on this. This kind of business is a creative kind of business that helps you to express yourselves in your work. For example, you're someone that likes to put details in whatever you do. This is the kind of business you put those details. For example, there are unique details here on this bead. Some you can decide to do yours. Yours can be different from the general one. You can do something different. And before you know it, you have customers. And where do you have your customers from? Because you don't need a space for this kind of business. You don't need advertisement on the road. Where you need to publicize yourself is on social media platform. And when they see what you do, maybe when you're making your beads, you do a video and you put it on social media and they see you and people buy and come and give feedback, testify, you'll be making money on a monthly basis without even desiring to go for the 9 to 5 anymore. So if you're sitting down at home in this new year and you're thinking, what can I venture into? What can I do? I need something that does not require so much money. I need a business that I don't need to rent a shop. I need a business that I don't need to start looking for so much space. This is the kind of business. On your bed, you can sit on your bed and be doing your hand beads, doing your neck bead, doing earrings, doing everything on your bed. You don't need so much. You don't need machines to work with. Your hands are your income. So if you've been thinking about a business to start this year, this should be your interest. Start small. Start with what you have. If you're seeing this face for the first time, I am taking. You can call me Titi. On this channel, we talk about everything business. If this is the kind of content you like to watch, please go ahead and click on the notification bell. Please subscribe to our channel and drop a comment. Remember, we rise by lifting others. And to my beautiful and wonderful subscribers, thank you for believing in me. I don't take you for granted. If this video inspired you, please go to the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you're into bead making, share some inspiration, motivate us, tell us what we need to know about this business. This is where we draw the curtains on today's edition. Until next time, love life, live life, and enjoy your life. I remain your host, Titi Atutale.